In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a star in Photopea. To begin, open your project in Photopea and look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Find the Shape tool, then right-click on it to reveal more shape options. You will see options such as Rectangle, Ellipse, Line, Parametric Shape, and Custom Shape. Instead of choosing Custom Shape, select Parametric Shape. Once selected, go to the top options bar and make sure the mode is set to create the shape on a new layer. This ensures that every star you create appears on its own separate layer instead of being placed on the background. Next, in the Shape Type drop-down menu at the top, choose the star option. After selecting it, simply click and drag on your canvas to draw your star. By default, the star will have 5 sides, but you can change this from the top settings. For example, if you enter 10 in the sides field and draw again, you will create a star with 10 points. You can also adjust the inner radius to control how deep the points of the star appear, and modify the corner radius to make the edges sharper or more rounded. The higher the corner radius, the smoother and more rounded the points will look. These settings can always be adjusted from the top menu whenever the shape layer is selected. If you want to create a star that is hollow from the inside, go to the Fill option in the top left area and click on it. Choose the None option, which is represented by a white box with a red diagonal line. Then click on the Stroke Color option next to it and select any color you prefer for the outline. You can use the default colors or the color picker to choose a custom shade. After selecting your color, adjust the stroke width from the arrow beside the stroke option to control how thick the border appears. Now, when you click and drag on the canvas, you will create an outlined star. You can continue changing the color, number of sides, inner radius, or stroke size anytime from the top panel to customize your design exactly as you like. And this is how you can make a star in Photopea.